Common violations of Newcastle County, Delaware codes often involve issues related to property maintenance, zoning, and building regulations. Here's a summary of some typical violations. 1. Property maintenance violations. Overgrown vegetation, grass and weeds exceeding the allowable height, often around 8 inches. Trash and debris accumulation, litter, junk or garbage left on the property. Improper storage, unpermitted storage of items such as old furniture, appliances and materials in yards. Dilapidated structures, buildings, fences or other structures in poor condition, such as peeling paint, broken windows or structural issues. 2. Building code violations. Unpermitted construction, performing renovations or additions without obtaining necessary building permits. Failure to comply with building codes, issues like faulty electrical systems, plumbing, or improper materials being used. Unsafe structures, buildings that pose safety hazards such as weakened foundations or walls. Zoning violations. Non-compliant land use, using residential property for commercial purposes or any use that violates the property's zoning classification. Improper setbacks, violations involving structures built too close to property lines or without appropriate clearances. Illegal signage, erecting signs without permits or signs that exceed allowed size or placement regulations. Nuisance violations, noise disturbances, excessive noise from homes, businesses or events that exceed allowed levels. Animals, violations related to animal control, including unlicensed pets, excessive numbers of animals, or failure to clean up after pets. Failure to remove snow, not clearing sidewalks of snow and ice in a timely manner after a snowstorm. Rental property violations. Failure to register rental properties. Owners not registering their properties as rentals with the county. Substandard living conditions. Landlords failing to maintain properties in livable condition, such as lack of heating, plumbing, or infestation control. Violations of these codes can result in fines, notices of violation, or even legal action if not addressed. Newcastle County typically has inspectors that investigate complaints and enforce these codes. If you're dealing with specific issues, the county's Code Enforcement Office can provide further guidance.